Hi you guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I'm going to be doing a MacBook Air opening. Well, I already opened it, but I just wanted to re-show you guys, but it's already been opened. So yeah, I got the MacBook Air. So excited. Open it. I don't know if you guys can see me. Can you see me? This is how it looked in the case. Be very careful. That's how it looks. And by the way, it's a 13-inch MacBook Air. So. And this is how it looks on the inside. Yeah, this is really nice. This is my first MacBook. I've never had a MacBook ever. And in the box, it comes with a charger, adapter, and some MacBook stickers. So, yeah, that being said, I'm really thankful to have this laptop. So, like I said before, I've never had one, and I'm just very thankful to have it. So, if you guys like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and like and comment and let me know what videos you guys would like to see me do next. Thank you. Bye.